16th annual Hollister Santa Train. Santa Claus is going to be pulling up on the tracks here in about 10 minutes, and the kids will get a chance to go on and visit with Santa and tell them their Christmas list. Be able to go through the line here and get some drinks and snacks and goodies, and we've got some gift bags for them and some coloring books, some clowns doing face painting. So just a good Hollister tradition and a good holiday tradition too.
This is Rob Dixon with the Hollister Chamber, reporting for the Tri-Lakes Tribune. I'm Brian Shepard. Who are you guys waiting for? Which way is he going to come from, do you know?
This way.
That way down there? You pretty excited?
Yes.
All right. Do you guys know what you're going to ask for Christmas this year?
I'm going to ask for a Mortal Kombat. I'm going to ask for a dirt bike. I'm going to ask for an Xbox 360.
Very good. Reporting for the Tri-Lakes Tribune, I'm Brian Shepard.
Length of ways. All right.
Right here.
December the 14th here in Hollister, Missouri, as Santa Claus arrives here at the Hollister Depot. All the children are waiting for Santa Claus' arrival and all in excitement.
You knew what the word invoice meant. You would be a rich person.
A new TV for my room.
Oh, a new TV for your room?
Have you been that good? I'm on the bad list.
Merry Christmas.